Good morning. Children, what did you learn in the previous class? You learned in the previous class changes around us. Natural changes, man-made changes, desirable natural changes, desirable man-made changes. Now, I am going to tell you about phases of moon, formation of day and night. Children, look at this picture. How many times does the short hand in a clock show 12 in a day? How many times, children? 2 times. Next, what comes after night? What comes after night? Day. What comes after day? Night. Children, now I am going to tell you about phases of moon. When does the moon appear in the sky? Do you observe any change in the shape of the moon? Night after night? Which day you like more, sunlight or moonlight? Every child is delighted and fascinated by the sight of the moon in the sky at night. The moon is the only natural satellite of the earth and is almost spherical. It is our closest celestial neighbor and is smaller when compared to the earth. Children, the moon looks different in shape every night. Why? The moon cannot produce light on its own. It receives light from the sun and reflects it. The moon takes 27.3 days to orbit the earth and rotates once on its axis during this period. This is the reason why we see the same face of the moon always, not the other side. When the earth and the moon move together around the sun, different parts of the moon receive sunlight at the different periods. Those parts reflect the sunlight to give the moon a different look. Night after night, the changing shape that we see is its phase. It depends on the relative position of the sun, the earth and the moon. The tides in the sea are related to the phases of moon. Tide means the increased and decreased levels of sea water. These changes in the level of seawater are called tides. Children, look at this picture. Earth's multiply motions spinning on its axis and orbiting the sun cause day and night and seasons. Without sunlight, plants stop making food and releasing oxygen. Already you learned previous classes how do plants get food. Yes or no, children? Green plants make their own food with the help of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll means green pigment, using water from soil and carbon dioxide from air in the presence of sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. In this process, plants release oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide. Many living things sense seasonal changes. Children, look at this picture. This is a biological clock. The biological clock of each animal governs when that animal eats, sleeps and reproduces. Most of the animals sleep during nights, but the nocturnal animals are active. We can observe the changes in trees in different seasons. All the above changes are repeated at definite intervals of time. These are periodic changes. Natural climates like cyclones, earthquakes, floods and droughts may occur repeatedly but do not happen at fixed intervals. The changes which do not repeat themselves at regular intervals are non-periodic changes. What are the non-periodic changes, children? Earthquakes, floods, cyclones. What are the periodic changes, children? Seasons, day and night. Periodic changes means changes are repeated at definite intervals of time. These are periodic changes. Non-periodic changes means the changes which do not repeat themselves at regular intervals are non-periodic changes. Children, observe this picture. This is a oil bottle. Why does your mother keep the coconut oil bottle in the sun before using it, particularly in winter? Why does she heat ghee before serving it? These are some of the examples of temporary change. These can be reversed to get back the original state. The changes in which the material remains the same before and after the change are called reversible changes. Let us see more examples. Children, look at this picture. A boy blow the balloon. Take a rubber balloon, observe its shape and size before it is inflated and after it is deflated. Is it the same balloon or a new one? Same balloon. Look at this picture, children. Stretches a rubber band to some extent by pulling at both ends. Leave it after some time. Does it come to its original shape and size? Yes. Look at this picture, children. Take a thin metal wire. Bend it into any shape and straighten it up. Take a thin metal wire, bend it into any shape and straighten it up. What change do you observe? These three examples reversible changes, only temporary changes. The changes in which the material remains the same before and after the change are called reversible changes. What are called reversible changes, children? The changes in which the material remains the same before and after the change are called reversible changes. For examples, blowing balloon, stretch a rubber, thin wire, and oil, coconut oil in winter season. Children, look at this picture. This is milk, this is curd. Ask your mother, if she can get milk back from the curd? No. Can a flower be changed into a bud again? No. Is it possible to change a cooked rice back into raw rice? No. Can you become a baby again? No. These changes are permanent and cannot be reversed. These are called irreversible changes. Children, what are called irreversible changes? Permanent changes are called irreversible changes. For example, can a flower be changed into a bud again? Can you become a baby again? Children, permanent changes are called irreversible changes. Temporary changes are called reversible changes. Children, look at this picture. What is this? This is a wood. This is a firewood. What do you observe in these pictures? Are both the changes same? Does the substance remain the same before and after the changes? The changes are different. The substance changes into another form when it is burnt but remains in its natural form when cut. The substance is wood, children, wood. Changes into another form after burning ash. When it is burnt but remains in its natural form when cut. Burning of wood is a chemical change and cutting of wood is a physical change. Chemical changes are always permanent, mostly irreversible, and new substance will be formed. Rusting of iron, photosynthesis, ripening of fruits, making curd, ice cream, cooking of food, spoilage of food, dissection of food are some of the chemical changes. Once again repeated, children, permanent changes are chemical changes. Permanent changes are called irreversible changes. For example, rusting of iron, photosynthesis, ripening of fruits, making curd, ice cream, cooking of food, spoilage of food, dissection of food are some of the chemical changes. Children, observe this picture. This is a polluted water. This is a fresh water. What are the effects of some of the man-made changes on environment? Many scientists are of the opinion that over-exploitation of natural resources by various human activities cause pollution. What is called pollution, children? Many scientists are of the opinion that our explanation of natural resource by various human activities cause pollution. This leads to changes in climate and affects many living and non-living things. Many places that were warmer are now getting colder, and some regions like Antarctica are getting warmer. This is due to global warming. A change in the global average surface temperature. This may lead to submarining of many countries in the oceans. Okay, children, understood? Do not pollute our environment. Children, in this lesson, you learned man-made changes, natural changes, desirable natural changes, desirable man-made changes, reversible changes, irreversible changes, chemical changes and physical changes. Okay children, understood? Children, practice at home reversible changes. Example, coconut oil, inflated and deflated balloon. Okay children, thank you. I will meet in the next class.